Hello, my name is Miss Binion and I teach 7th and 8th grade English language arts here at Raw Middle School. I have been at Raw for 1 year. This is my 5th year of teaching, but this will be my first year at Raw. I've taught middle and high school ELA, intensive reading, ACT, and SAT prep for the past 4 years, and this will be my first year teaching at Raw. The best way to contact me is via email. My email is BinionJ, and that's B as in boy, INIONJ @leonschools.net. That is the best way and easiest way to contact me. Also, I do have some remind codes. All of the remind codes, let me see, let me get them for you all. Remind codes are how I will send out if there's an upcoming test or an upcoming project that I have let kids know about. Remind codes are as follows. Let's see. All of my remind class codes, so the class codes for the students, it's the @ Binion J and whatever number they have me for class. So whatever class period. So for my first period, my remind code is @Binion J and the number 1. My third period will be @Binion J, the number 3. And it would keep going for whatever class period the student has me. For parents, you would text @raw PA to 21010, and that's how you would be able to get enrolled in Remind. Let's see. All assignments will be uploaded to Canvas. So the students will have access to Canvas. If they don't know how to access Canvas, please have them let me know and I can give them a walkthrough. I try to give at least 2 grades a week, homework possibly every other day. Usually it's very rare that I will give homework on Fridays. Students will have vocabulary quizzes every Friday. And students definitely need to make sure that they have their Chromebooks and that they are charged daily because we will use them for class. The curriculum that I will be using for 7th grade is Common Lit and Collections. And for 8th grade, I will be using Common Lit. Let's see, what else do we have here? Absentee policy. So when students are absent, there is a bin in their classroom where they can pick up hard copies of their work, but also their work will also be uploaded on Canvas. So they'll be able to see what we're doing. And definitely if it is downloaded to a PDF, they will be able to access it. Most of their work will be via Common Lit. So they will log on to Common Lit and complete their assigned work there. Advice for parents to help students be successful. Communication is key. So if you see or know something that I may be unaware of, please let me know. Please email me and let me know. You can email me on the school email, which is BinionJ @leonschools.net, or you can message me on Focus and I'll get back to you. I do not check email or Focus Messenger Friday after 5, but I will get back to you on Monday. Again, if you all need me, the best way to contact me is via email, and I look forward to us having a great year.